Hi there, students. Kiss and tell. Kiss and tell. I think normally this is an adjective. It could be a noun as well. Let's see. A kiss and tell is when somebody has had a love affair with someone famous, and then they tell the story of this affair that they've had with this person in public. Yeah, they talk to the tabloid newspapers, or they write a book. Yeah, or they make a documentary series about it. So there was a kiss and tell on the front page of the tabloid. Yeah. Okay. There was a kiss and tell story on the front page of the tabloid. He did a kiss and tell interview with a famous reporter. Okay. So a celebrity kiss and tell story. Okay, is when somebody has a love relationship with somebody famous, and then they talk to the press. Yeah. This is the one of the greatest kiss and tell stories of all time. However, I don't think we should just limit this phrase to this. Let's see. I don't think it has to be someone famous. For example, all of the girls avoid Simon because they know how he loves to kiss and tell. Like that, all his friends think he's really cool and he knows all about girls. Yeah. So to tell other people or to tell your friends about sexual encounters that you've had with somebody in order to show off, to show how big you are, to show how important you are. Yeah. And so to kiss and tell. But then I think we can still go further than that and tell other people about something that was supposed to be private between you, between the person who told it and the person who heard it. Yeah. So I try not to give her private information, any secret information, because she has this terrible tendency to kiss and tell. Yeah, when she learns about sensitive things, she's got this horrible habit of kissing and telling. Yeah. And I've been burned by her before, so I'm just going to try and avoid letting her know any of the sensitive details. Yeah. Okay. So kiss and tell, to betray a confidence. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Originally, it's talking about kissing and telling. Yeah, an amorous relationship or sexual intimacy. But nowadays, it's gone a lot farther. You could use it much more loosely. I like the idea of, don't ask me how I voted because I don't kiss and tell. Yeah, I'm not going to tell you who I voted for. Yeah. Okay. So I will give you the secret details of what happened at the meeting, as long as you promise not to kiss and tell. Yeah. Because I know you're not the kiss and tell type. Yeah. I'm only going to talk about it to you, but you've got to promise not to kiss and tell. Yeah. You've got to promise that you aren't going to make this public. So yeah, the girlfriend of the footballer got money from the press for a kiss and tell story. Yes, but please keep this secret. Don't kiss and tell. Yeah, it's not nice to kiss and tell. Don't betray intimate secrets. So let's see, kiss and tell, formality. I think I'm going to give it Kiss and tell. I think maybe 4 informality, maybe even 4.5. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, use it in a semi-formal writing. I think in something very formal, I think you probably need to use something else. And kiss and tell, well, yeah. And then you tell somebody, tell the public all about it. And that's clearly the origin. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Kiss and tell.